Hello everybody, welcome to this walkthrough of the WDCS feature designed to streamline the manufacturing production process. We introduced the receive from production, issue to production, and inventory loss functionalities. As we know, the receive from production process is directly linked to issue from production, and that's what we can see right here. But first, we will send this item to the production line. To start, we will click on Issue to Production. Here on my screen, you can see the item that we are about to remove from inventory and issue to the production line. Once we select the item to be sent, WDCS will prompt us to complete the required information, such as the location, lot number, and the quantity to be issued. So now, this item won't be available in the warehouse because it's already on its way to production. And if we click on the Issue to Production tab, we'll see what we just sent. As production generates inventory, we use the Receive from Production module in WDCS to confirm the items being received under the corresponding work order. To receive the item from production, the system will automatically assign a receiving location, and the user will then enter key details such as pallet ID, lot number, expiration date, and the quantity of finished goods received. Once this information is submitted, the system will display a summary showing both what was sent to production and what has been received, giving full visibility into the production flow within WDCS Manager. One thing we know about the manufacturing process is that inventory is often lost along the way due to production error, quality issues, human error, or due to other reasons. Right here, we can report which item was lost, the quantity, and all relevant details. This allows us to document losses for a specific work order within the manufacturing process. That data remains at the client's discretion, and they can access it whenever they need, whether to upload it to another system or for reporting purposes. We are able to edit the work order if the status is set to open. Once we have completed the production, I have to change the status to closed. If we reload, we can now see that it's closed, but you still have the option to reopen it if needed. Finally, if we click here on Work Order History, we'll be able to see a record of all the transactions. And those are the new WDCS features designed to optimize the manufacturing process. Thank you for your time, and I hope you find these updates helpful.